It's like the old one. Oh, see the design. It's like a tamarang. Look at this one. Look at that. What about? Ang galing. Ay, no. Diba? Ay! Hi! This is the Golden Man. The Tire of a Saka warrior. 4th, 3rd century BC, found at the burial mound at Isaik, Almaty region. A reconstruction by K.A. Akisheva. With this one. Ito pala yung mga, ito yung attire ni Saka warrior. Saka warrior. 4th, 3rd century BC. Wow, love it. Oh. Ay, ito yung pusas dati. Pusas. Oh. Ay, love it. Hi. Ito yung ano, see? Swords. Mga sword nila, sword. Ano yung malilit na yan? Ay. Ganda. I love it. See? I love it. And then this one. Look at that woman. Ay, diba nga? Don't touch, please.